Alright, let's get real for a second. Have you ever found the perfect lipstick shade? You swipe it on and suddenly your teeth look, well, not as white as you remember? Been there, done that, and honestly, it's frustrating. But here's the good news. Choosing the right lip color can totally make your teeth look brighter, almost like an instant teeth whitening filter. So let's break it down. First, you want to look for lipsticks with cool, blue-based undertones. Why? Because blue tones visually cancel out yellow, the main culprit in making teeth look less than pearly white. Shades like classic reds with a blue undertone, rich berries, and deep plums are your secret weapons. Think of MAC's Ruby Woo or Maybelline's Superstay Ink and Ruler. These are classics for a reason. Now, a lot of people love those orangey reds, warm corals, or peachy pinks. Don't get me wrong, they're gorgeous. But here's the catch. Anything with a yellow or orange base can actually make your teeth appear more yellow. If your go-to color is on the warmer side, maybe save it for days when you're not worried about your smile standing out. Let's talk pinks. Blue-pink shades like fuchsias or cool-toned bubblegum are amazing for brightening. They add a pop of color and reflect cool tones onto your teeth, making them look whiter. Try a swipe of Revlon's Cherries in the Snow or Fenty Beauty's Candy Venom for that instant brightness. Another tip: avoid super dark, vampy colors if you're concerned about your teeth. While they're dramatic and fun, really dark shades can sometimes create a shadow effect, making your teeth look duller. Go for medium-depth berries or a classic blue-red if you love bold lips but still want that bright smile. Glossier finishes can also help. A bit of gloss or shimmer, especially in the center of your lips, reflects light and draws attention away from any discoloration on your teeth. It's like a little magic trick. Super subtle, super effective. A quick rundown of lip products to brighten your smile: blue-based reds, cool pinks or fuchsias, deep berries with a blue undertone, and anything with a glossy or satin finish. If you're unsure about a shade, just hold it up to your teeth before you buy. If your teeth look whiter, you've got a winner. And honestly, the best part? You don't need a million lipsticks to get it right. Just a couple of the right shades, and your smile can be your best accessory. No whitening strips required. So next time you're shopping for a new lip color, remember? Cool undertones are your best friend, gloss is your secret weapon, and your smile deserves to shine. Try it out, let me know what you think. And if you discover your own holy grail shade, drop it in the comments. I love hearing your recs. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Go rock that bright, beautiful smile.